So today we will understand single sign-on, also called as SSO, using real IT support examples. Single sign-on or SSO is an authentication method that allows user to log in once and access multiple applications without logging in again and again. In simple definition, you can log in once and you can get the access of multiple applications. Instead of entering password repeatedly, you authenticate once, then the system automatically gives access to the trusted applications. SSO is commonly used with email systems, ticketing portal, remote support tool, cloud applications, HR software, and company dashboards. Let's take an example. Imagine entering a large office building. You show your ID card at the main gate. After entering, you can access meeting room, cafeteria, you can access workstation, conference halls without showing your ID every time. That is exactly how single sign-on works. Let's understand through a real support engineer story. Rahul works in an IT company. Every day Rahul uses Outlook email, team chat, ServiceNow ticket portal, VPN access, internal knowledge base, and remote desktop software. So before single sign-on, Rahul had separate password for each application. Every morning looked like this: log into Outlook, log into VPN, log into ticket tool, log into knowledge base, log into remote support portal, multiple password, multiple failures, and multiple lockouts. Sometime Rahul forget the password, sometime accounts get locked, and every week the IT help desk receive password reset ticket, lots of them. So without single sign-on, user face many problem, like too many passwords. Employee create different password for every application. This become difficult to remember. Password reset tickets. IT support spend hours resetting passwords. One forgotten password create unnecessary workload. Weak password habits. User often reuse the password. Example, same password for Outlook, same password for VPN, same password for HR portal, and same password for the other application. This creates security risk. Poor user experience. Logging into 6-8 applications every day, that is waste of time. User gets frustrated. Now imagine the same company after implementing single sign-on. Rahul start his day. He enter company credentials once. System verifies identity. Now something powerful happens. Without entering password again and again, Rahul automatically access Outlook, Microsoft Teams, ticketing system, VPN portal, company dashboard, and internal applications. Everything open seamlessly. No repeated login screens, no password confusion, no delays. This creates a smooth employee experience for a company. Now let's understand how SSO works behind the scene. User logs in to the company identity platform, usually through identity providers like Microsoft Entra ID, Okta, Google Workspace, or Ping Identity. Then identity provider verify the user credentials. A secure authentication token is created, and then the token is trusted by multiple applications. User access apps without logging in again and again. So in a simple flow, user login, he gets authentication, then secure token generated, and he can access multiple applications. Single sign-on provide many benefits. Better user experience. One login reduce frustration, employees save times, few password reset. IT teams receive fewer password reset tickets, so help desk workload decreases. Better security, user create fewer weak password, security improves, and faster productivity. Employee access tools instantly, no repeated login delays. And centralized access control, IT admin manage access from one place. And better compliances, companies maintain secure access policies. Companies use SSO heavily. Imagine a company with 5,000 employees. Without SSO, thousands of password issue happen monthly. With SSO, one login controls access to all company systems. That saves time, support effort, security risk, and employee frustration. Single sign-on is not just convenience, it is a modern identity management. One secure, multiple trusted applications, less stress, better security, and smoother IT operations. That is why single sign-on has become a standard feature in a modern cloud environment. Thank you for watching.